in the scene. Okay?
Oh, man.
Let's just test you out here, Christyn. So, Christyn, if I was to like open the door, you give me what sound? and to shut it? Big hand for Christyn here. In my improv world, I usually get a suggestion. So, what is like an occupation that you have, like a job? What? Oh man, the fire alarm's going! Sounds like the ambulance. Oh my god, I gotta get out of my duvet covers. Okay, just put on my pants. Okay, now go down the pole. I'm just gonna get into the fire truck with the driver. Sounds like a pool. Shut it. Oh, big heavy door. Just turn on the ignition.
Yeah, Christyn!
Thank God I got the kunta model. Get the engine going, it's roaring! Okay, awesome.